Hello everybody, my name is Angelica Sarache. I'm an English license degree student and in this opportunity I'd like to share with all of you an English class for 8th grade students about present continuous. Let's start. To develop this class, I'm going to take into account three important things. What-up, development, and closure activities. So after saying hello to the students, how are you today, how have you been, I can do my warm up through this video in order students can remember the thematic that we have been studying the last day and we are going to keep on practicing during the class. This is of course present continuous. So let's take a look to the video for practice.
What are you doing?
The verb, ing verb, the sentence. Question. I'm sitting in a chair. Push, pushing, ing verb. What are you doing? I'm pushing a car. Well, as you can see through this video, students can focus on the class, focus on the topic, and they can remember the structure of the present continuous tense. So let's continue with the development of the class. Well, after reproducing the video, I'm going to show to the students this slide where they can see the structure of this tense. To promote the participation of students, I can ask questions. What is this boy doing? What is he doing? And they can answer with sentences such as he's walking, he is running in the park, he is working out, and all of those sentences, all of those answers will be okay because the idea is students can express the action that this boy is doing in this moment while they are talking, while they are speaking. Okay, here the example says he is running on the road. After that, I'm going to explain students how to do sentences in affirmative, negative, and interrogative form. It's important to say that we have been studying this topic the last day, so this is a review in order to strengthen this thematic. Okay, to do affirmative sentences, you start with the subject plus verb to be. Okay, you are going to use the form of the verb to be according to the subject that you are using in the sentences. So, subject plus verb to be plus ing verb plus complement. Example, he is playing football. This is an affirmative sentence. To do negative sentences, we need to use the word not, the negation, and this negation is going to be after the verb to be. So we start with the subject plus verb to be plus the word not plus ing verb plus complement. In this case, he is not, you can see the word not after the verb to be, playing football. He is not playing football. And the questions, interrogative sentences, start with verb to be plus subject plus ing verb plus complement. Is he playing football? That is the question. And we remember that this tense is used to express actions that are happening in the moment that you are speaking. Okay? After the explanations, of course, I ask if everybody figure out the explanation if anyone has doubts. And after solve these doubts, I can continue with the class and I suggest a work in pairs. Okay, here you can see a picture about Simpson's family and the activity 6. Look at the picture and complete the sentences with the affirmative or negative in present continuous. Here we have an example. It says Lisa. Here we have a verb in brackets, the verb use, and the complement is sunscreen. I have to complete these sentences writing the verb to be and the ing verb. In this case, as Lisa is third person, she, Lisa, the form of the verb to be I'm going to use is. So the sentence is Lisa is using sunscreen. Because Lisa is using sunscreen. Second example, negative sentence. Marsh and Maggie, the verb in brackets is run together. I mean, they are not running together. So the sentence is Marsh and Maggie aren't or are not running together. So you are going to do the other sentences as in the example. After that, you have a second point. It says, pay attention to the subjects. Here we have the subjects. And complete the sentences using the following verbs. Let's see the example. In the number 1, we have a man, a worker, and the sentence says, Bob, a little before going back to work, we have to find the right verb. Bob is watching, no. Is reading, of course, no. Is dancing, absolutely no. Is driving, no. Is studying, of course, no. Is listening, no. Is eating, no. Sleep, the verb sleep, of course, he's sleeping. So Bob is sleeping a little before going back to work. We are going to do the same in the next sentences. Remember, this is a work in pairs in order students can do a teamwork, a cooperative work. In order the learning be more significant. Now here we have the closure activity. For this step, I designed this activity. Look for a star below your chair. There are 3 stars. Every star has a question. Did you like the class? What have you learned today? Do you have any question? After students answer these questions, I need to clear that classmates can help these ones. After do this step, I can suggest to students some activities in order they review at home. For example, visit the following websites and solve the exercises you find there about present continuous. Take a screenshot and send it to my email. Here we have a website. And students will find some exercises about present continuous. They need to choose the right answer. And after doing these exercises, they need to take a picture and send it to me. Here we have another website where they can practice. Here they have the sentences in this order and they need to organize the sentence, of course, using the structure of present continuous. For example, in this case, he is not playing volleyball today. And after doing the activity, they need to take the picture and send it to my email. And the last one suggestion, in order they can practice this thematic at home, is watch Mr. Bean's video about present continuous. You are going to get some fun while you are learning. Here you can take a look about the video. Very funny. He is watching TV. Here you can read the sentences about the actions that are happening in the moment. He is doing magic tricks, and you can get a lot of vocabulary here. You can learn a lot with this kind of videos. He is talking with his teddy bear. He is doing a magic trick. Well, I mean, he's trying to do magic. Well, this was my class. I hope you to like it, and I'll be attentive to your comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next opportunity. Bye bye.